Tick-tock. Time flies, doesn't it? But what if you could control time? What if you could conquer time? Bienvenidos, fellow Spanish-speaking adventurers. Spanish Dude Daily here. Imagine standing in the heart of Madrid, amidst the beautiful chaos of the San Isidro festival. The air around you is filled with the aroma of food like churros. The music's infectious, making your feet want to move. And just then, someone asks you for the time in Spanish. ¿Qué hora es? Could you answer? I bet you're thinking, I wish I could. Well, I've got good news for you. By the end of this video, you won't just be thinking it, you'll be saying it in Spanish. In just 10 minutes, we'll journey from hours to years, unlocking the secrets of Spanish time. Stick around because we're about to make every second count. Let's start our journey with the meses del año, or months of the year. Enero to diciembre. That's January through December, in the same order as in English. But remember, unlike in English, Spanish months are not capitalized unless they start a sentence. Now, let's start by running through them quickly in Spanish first. Okay, you can follow along and try to say them if you want. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, and diciembre. Let's go over them one more time. Say it with me now. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, y diciembre. Perfecto! Let's do it one more time, this time beside the English translation. January is enero. February is febrero. March is marzo. April is abril. May is mayo. June is junio. July is julio. August is agosto. September is septiembre. October is octubre. November is noviembre. And December is diciembre. All right, now let's explore los días de la semana, the days of the week. Here, the week begins on lunes and ends on domingo. Try to follow along and repeat after me. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, and domingo. There we go. That wasn't so hard, was it? Let's go over them again. Try to repeat them with me one more time. All right, repeat after me. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, and domingo. One more time. Say them with me one more time. This time in English. Monday is lunes. Tuesday is martes. Wednesday is miércoles. Thursday is jueves. Friday is viernes. Saturday is sábado. And last but not least, Sunday is domingo. Congratulations, you have now learned the days of the week and months in the year. You're a master of time. Now comes the fun part. We're going to learn how to tell time in Spanish. The first key phrase is ¿Qué hora es?, which means what time is it? When it's 1 o'clock, we say es la una. For any other hour, we say son las dos, son las tres, and so on. Remember that son las is for plural hours, es la for singular. Remember, son las for plural hours, es la for singular. So basically, every hour other than one uses son las, while one uses es la. Let's go deeper. All right, look at the time on this clock. It's 2:15. In Spanish, we would say son las dos y cuarto. Y cuarto means and a quarter. For 30 minutes past the hour, we say y media, like and a half. So son las dos y media would be it's 2:30. Es la una y media is saying it's 1:30 in English. Let's run over a few quick examples. So 3:30 is son las tres y media. 10:15 is son las diez y cuarto. From the hour until the half hour mark, we use y and the number of minutes. So 8:12 would be son las ocho y doce. When discussing the 31-minute mark after the hour until the next hour, we use menos, minus, as if saying 2 minus 14 is 1:46. So, es la una menos cuarto is it's 1:45 or 12:45. Remember, practice makes perfect, so give it a shot. All right, let's put things to the test. Leave your answers in the comments below. What's the English translation of the following sentence? Now, it's not perfect sentence, but it's enough for you to understand. Lunes 10 de junio a la 1:30. We will meet at the Matador's house. Let's try one more. Give this one a run in the comments below what you think it is in English. Miércoles el 25 de abril son las 9:10. And just like that, in less than 10 minutes, you've taken a leap from hours to years, conquering time in Spanish. Remember, it all comes down to practice. The more you use these phrases, the easier it'll get. Incorporate it into your regular life. You use time on a regular basis, so now you have the tools to practice it. One more opportunity for practice in the comments below. Share your date of birth, the day you were born if you know it, and the time you were born if you know it. And good luck with your answers from earlier. Well, mis amigos de Español, that's it for today. We fast-forwarded your Spanish learning journey, and now you're one step closer to navigating time in the Spanish-speaking world. You know the routine. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe to join us on more adventures like these. I release at least one video every day, and I'm currently working diligently toward a comprehensive series to teach beginners how to speak Spanish and get you started for free. So until next time, hasta luego!